everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Glammed Up D. This is my Slaytober series. I'm uploading a different Halloween look every day of October. Today is day 5, Scar from Lion King. If you want to see how she just looked, please continue on watching. This is the final look, y'all. How y'all like this look? I like it. There is a couple of things that I would do to improve this look, but all in all, I am happy with it. I am my biggest critic, so it's a lot of looks that I don't like after I do them. I'll say this is kind of one of them, but you know, it's still a good, you know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you don't miss another video, and I will see you day 6.